How to redeem Moomoo Cash Plus. Moomoo is a global investment and trading platform. The platform offers commission-free trading in U.S. stocks, ETFs, and options, along with access to Chinese A-shares and Hong Kong-listed stocks. First, download the Moomoo application. Log in to your Moomoo application. You will get one-time password via SMS if you use mobile number. Then navigate to the Accounts section, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Within your account, locate and select your Cash Plus holdings. Specify the amount you wish to redeem and confirm your request. Tap on the Redeem button to proceed with the redemption process. That's it. Thanks for watching.